everyone, my name is Ming, and now I'm going to answer 6 questions in speaking part 1 and a topic in speaking part 2 in lessons 30, 13. Now we will start with speaking part 1 first. For the first question, what what sports do you like? Well, I like swimming. I was learning it when I was 5 years old, and I'm very keen on it. So at present, I go swimming twice a week. For the next question, where did you learn how to do it? Well, I learned it from my father. My father is a person who plays sports very well, and he taught me how to swim when I was just 5 years old, as I mentioned above. For the third question, did you do some sports when you were young? Well, when I was young, I was learned to do martial arts and I do karate. I did it well. However, at present, I have some problems with my eyesight. Therefore, I don't do it anymore. For the fourth question, do you think students need more exercise? Well, I think that doing more exercise is quite vital because in this age, uh, students are in adolescence and their muscles and bones are strongly developing. Therefore, doing this is very significant. For the next question, what sports are the most popular in your country? Well, in my country, we are big fans of this volleyball. From adults to children, everyone plays volleyball, and I think that they are very like it. For the last question, what sports do you like to try in the future? Well, if I get a chance, I want to play basketball because basketball is one of my dreams. Since 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 at present I'm not tall enough to play this, and I also hear that people who play basketball are also quite tall, and I very want to make friends with them. And now we will continue with speaking part 2. I prepared it in my paper on my paper. Yeah, can you see? Therefore, I'm gonna talk it now. Our topic today is describe someone who is famous in our country. Yeah, and let's get started with my speaking. Well, if you are an IELTS learner, I am sure that you are quite familiar with this name, Đặng Trần Tùng. Yes, it is he. He is famous for his points in his IELTS exam. As you know, he got 9.0 points in his first IELTS exam, and Đặng Xuân Tùng is the second person in Vietnam who got 9 points in IELTS exam. In addition, he also got it in 6 times. It's quite extraordinary, and I admired him with several reasons. For the first reasons, he is very intelligent. It's obviously I'm very admire him about that. And for the next reasons, I used to watch one of his programs for about IELTS and English on TV in VTV7 channel, and I felt that his teaching skills is quite amusing and catchy. Therefore, I since then I have admired him, and if I got a chance to meet Đặng Xuân Tùng teacher, I would have him give advice for my IELTS studying to make progress in my studying skills, and I would also take photos as souvenirs with him, one of the most people, one of the most famous people in our IS English courses. And that's all things about the famous people I know. Thanks for listening.